I think I'll broadly break it down into two fields. One is if you are coming from coding or have interest in computer science, then the opportunities today are virtually infinite, even if you're not coming from a tier one college. If you can prove your technical expertise, if you can prove that you have certain strong language proficiencies, be it in React, Mon, and certain databases that you've built project on, there are a lot of startups today that you're willing to give you packages as good as 25 to 30 lakh cash components for non-tier one college students. That's the kind of compensation structure that we're seeing for fresh graduates if you are good at computer science and coding. But if I break down to core engineering branches, unfortunately, the reality is that there are very little options even at IIT Delhi or IIT Bombay. If you are at chemical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, unfortunately, the reality is that somebody getting a triple digit JE rank is getting under 10 lakh rupees, even if he's graduating at the top of old IIT. So if you think that you can get a good job in a non-tier one college from a core branch, the unfortunate reality is that you either need to move out of India to a developed country where you can get good core opportunities, R&D opportunities, or you have to just figure out that probably you need to skip to a master's degree in another field or just switch your career. Because the unfortunate reality is that there are no good core opportunities in India where you can get faster growth or high paying jobs.